Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Aetna Health app. So let's get started. So it's a very easy process. If you are an iOS user, then you have to open your Apple Store. If you are an Android user, then you can download and install the app in your Google Play Store. So I will just open Google Play Store. So at here at the right top section, you can see the account of like here search option. Just click on there. Then here you have to search for the Aetna Health app. So here you have to click on the Aetna app. Then you have to click on the install button. It will automatically download and install the app in your phone. If you scroll down, you can also rate this app, and you can see the rating app from here as well. So by this way you can do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.